Today I want to share a video where I go from this forward-facing unprotected camera mount on my Harley 48 to this forward-facing heat-protected camera mount, and the same on the rear from this unprotected camera mount sitting over the tailpipes to a camera mount over the tailpipes that has a heat shield. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. The last video I produced showed me mounting some custom camera points to my Harley 48, one that was facing forward looking at the front wheel and one that was facing to the back of the bike. As I idled, I realized that those cameras took on a lot of heat from the engine, and so I needed to fabricate some simple, straightforward aluminum heat shields. I took some plate aluminum that I purchased off of Amazon. It was a 1/16 inch thick. I cut it to rough size, deburred all of the edges, then I annealed the aluminum so that I could bend it without breaking it, and then I shaped it to create the heat shields that I needed. And for clarity, the only heat shield that I actually had to bend was the front. The rear heat shield sat directly over the tailpipes, and there was no heat coming from the side of the engine close enough that would heat the camera. But the front camera mount that was mounted to the clutch housing, it was absorbing heat from the bottom where the clutch housing was and from the side where the engine was. So I had to create an L-shaped or bent aluminum heat shield for the front. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you want to see the video where I actually made the camera mounts for the Harley, then click on the link in the description below and it'll take you to that video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And with that said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.